And now,
get DNFs on his first solve at megaminx.
the legendary
Yeah, by the way, I don't need to do an intro, so here we are. Edinburgh Winter 2025. It's gonna be good. It's been good, and it's gonna keep up.
You got a 4.4 in 2025. Come on.
Ready.
Good stuff. TPS.
Is that better for you in 2025?
Actually, yeah, I would.
Nice. You're really good average. If you guys didn't already think I was the GOAT at 2x2, then look at that sub 4 average I just got. Well, I'm pretty sure it's sub 4. I haven't calculated it. That'll be embarrassing if it's not, but very pleased. That's probably best case for 2x2. I don't think I'm beating that in any of the next rounds, but PR streak continues. First round of the first event. Good stuff. My first solve was atrocious. Last layer, I couldn't even remember how to do last layer. So after about 2 minutes of doing the same thing over and over again, nothing happening, I gave up. Then then I came back to the seats, learned some last layer algorithms, then I went back and got a sub 3. So that was the move, I guess. Now I can get an average at least. Hey guys, I found the best seat in the whole room. Oh, wait, let me get a better view. Yeah. The only unfortunate thing is that it's this metal barrier is at eye level with me. So I'm putting the camera on my eyes right now. To see anything I have to actually go over or under, but it's a bit awkward. I'm actually so scared I'm gonna drop my phone. Yeah. By the way, I got like a 3-minute megaminx average. Suits me, I suppose, you know. I feel bad for Scott though, my friend Scott. I'll put him somewhere because he spent a long time giving me tips and things. I had a brief few days where I thought I would really get into Mega, but didn't really. And then the just really got DNF first off. I mean, poor guy. But he did well. He got like I think he would do well.
Get DNFs on his first solve at megaminx.
I mean, I know I made a video about a big cube recently, but this kind of blows it out of the water. Let me give it some terms. Ready. Oh, nice. 222. That's pure. Hey guys, it's been a good day at the comp. Got a couple PRs in Mega and 2x2. The events I practiced the least, notably. But you know, it's gonna be a good day tomorrow. Gonna do some 3x3, some clock, some pyraminx, and it's gonna be banging. And I'll see you guys tomorrow once I get a good bit of shut eye. Good night. Sleep well, sweet prince. Can you get your phone out? Yes.
We are very happy to announce that it will become the first ever Scottish Championship. We will be hosting a 300-person Scottish Championship right back here at the end of May.
G perms.
I believe it's what?
It's 5%. 2 5s, 2 7s, and a 20. I'm the GOAT. It's 1 o'clock, but I don't know if I ever actually filmed an intro for today. But here we are. Oh man, I'm dangling my phone over the edge. Yeah, I'm surprised that's only the first time that's happened. Oh man.
Tables are a bit wobbly.
Yeah. There we go. All good. 3x3 round 3. If I don't screw up, I can make finals without a hitch. If I don't screw up.
It'll be worth it. Hopefully. Just take your time, let me know when you're ready.
Ready? Oh, no.
It's already sold.
Oh.
Samuel.
Good stuff.